Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Furniture Stencils is probably one of the most versatile and transformative tools available for DIY enthusiasts and home decorators looking to add a unique personal touch to their furniture pieces, allowing for intricate patterns, custom designs, and a professional-looking finish that can completely revitalize old or plain items without the need for advanced artistic skills, making it an accessible way to achieve stunning results and express creativity. Number 5. Chalk Paint Brushes Set, 2-pack. Tackle any project with this versatile set of 2 brushes. It includes a large oval brush for broad coverage and a smaller round brush for detailed work, making it perfect for furniture, stenciling, and waxing. Achieve professional results with our high-quality natural bristles. They provide excellent paint pickup and release for a smooth, even application on all types of chalk paints and waxes. Unlock your creative potential with these brushes. Their smooth application makes them ideal for upcycling furniture, home decor, or creating beautiful stencil patterns without any bristle shedding. Enjoy seamless application with all your favorite chalk paints, furniture waxes, and milk paints. These brushes work perfectly with a wide range of popular brands. Crafted for comfort and durability, these brushes feature a sturdy beechwood handle and a stainless steel ferrule. This design ensures a comfortable grip and prevents bristle shedding for long-lasting use. What we like. This set offers unmatched versatility for all your painting and waxing needs. It includes brushes perfect for both large surfaces and detailed work. If you're looking for a reliable tool for furniture painting, stenciling, and waxing with superior paint pickup and release, you should consider this. What people say. The stencils are made of a durable, flexible material that allows for easy application on various furniture surfaces. The intricate designs provided a professional-looking finish to my painted furniture, transforming old pieces into unique statement items. These stencils are reusable and clean up easily with soap and water, making them a cost-effective choice for multiple projects. Number 4. Mr. Pen Architect Drawing and Interior Design Template Set. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive set of architectural drawing and interior design templates. Perfect for bringing your vision to life, it includes everything you need to plan your spaces. Achieve professional results with ease. These tools are designed for architects, builders, and contractors, offering precise measurements and clear symbol representation for accurate drafting. Map out your entire house with detailed symbols for kitchen appliances, doors, electrical layouts, and plumbing fixtures. It even includes a roof pitch gauge for added convenience. Visualize your interiors with our furniture template. Easily arrange furnishings for living rooms, dining areas, bedrooms, and offices to create the perfect layout. Streamline your bathroom and kitchen designs. This template provides essential elements like cabinets, appliances, beds, and dressers for efficient and accurate planning. Crafted from a flexible yet sturdy material, these templates are built to last. They are the ideal companions for any professional in the building and design industry. What we like. This set provides essential drafting tools for creating detailed house plans and interior designs. It includes templates for various rooms and architectural elements. If you are an architect, builder, or contractor needing precise layouts, you should consider this. What people say. These are well made with many different objects for your creative expression. The paper behind the template is 9x12. These have been the most accurate and the most essential part to completing my projects for school and client presentation. The stencils are plentiful and very detailed, and the rest of the tools are great quality. The case it comes in is that softer plastic that doesn't crack if you look at it the wrong way, and can stand vertically in a backpack. Number 3. DIY Decorative Stencil Template for Walls and Furniture. Transform your home and crafts with our versatile decorative stencil template. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to walls, furniture, and more. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this template is designed for repeated use. It's easy to operate, making your DIY projects a breeze. Measuring 17.7 by 26 centimeters, 7 by 10 inches, it's the ideal size for a variety of applications. Get creative with its convenient dimensions. Use it with paints, ink pads, sprays, airbrushes, or even by hand. The possibilities are endless for your artistic endeavors. Apply it to a wide range of surfaces including fabric, wood, cloth, walls, and furniture. Give your belongings a beautiful new look. Its clean white color provides a neutral base, allowing your chosen colors to stand out beautifully. It's the perfect tool for any decorator. What we like. This decorative stencil template is made from durable, reusable plastic, making it easy to use for various craft projects. It's suitable for painting on walls, furniture, fabric, and more. If you enjoy DIY crafts and want a versatile stencil for multiple surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. The stencil is made of flexible plastic which makes it easy to bend around curved surfaces. The design is intricate and detailed, creating a beautiful pattern on furniture. It's reusable and easy to clean, allowing for multiple projects. Number 2. Reusable Mandala Painting Stencil Set of 6. Get creative with our set of 6 mandala stencils, each measuring a convenient 6 by 6 inches. Perfect for adding intricate designs to any project. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly PET, these stencils are built to last. They are tough enough to be used repeatedly, offering a sustainable choice for your crafting needs. Unleash your artistic side on walls, furniture, fabric, and more. These versatile templates are ideal for a wide range of DIY and craft projects, working beautifully with various paints and mediums. Applying designs is a breeze, whether you're using brushes, sponges, or sprays. When you're finished, simply wash them off and they're ready for your next creation. This package includes 6 distinct mandala stencil designs. You'll have plenty of options to bring your creative visions to life for all your daily DIY endeavors. What we like. This set includes 6 reusable mandala stencils, perfect for adding intricate designs to your crafts. Made from eco-friendly PET, they are durable and easy to clean. If you like dotting art and want to create beautiful patterns on walls, furniture, or fabric, you should consider this. What people say. They were strong and of very good quality. These held up great when I was stenciling my fireplace. I was surprised that the one stencil I used was sturdy enough for the whole project. Also, it was so easy to clean in between stencils. The paint washed right off. Number 1. DIY Crafts Floral Mandala Reusable Stencil. Transform your home decor with our reusable floral mandala stencil. Perfect for adding a personal touch to furniture, wood art, and more. Crafted from high-quality translucent PET, this stencil is built to last. Its improved thickness ensures it can be reused for countless projects. Simply apply paint with a brush and wash it clean with water for endless creative possibilities. It works with all types of paints and dyes. Surprise your friends and family who love DIY projects with this versatile and convenient stencil. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll do our best to resolve them. What we like. This large 12 by 12 inch stencil features a floral mandala design and is made from improved thickness PET for enhanced durability. It's perfect for adding decorative touches to furniture and wood art. If you're looking for a larger stencil to make a statement on your furniture or art projects, you should consider this. What people say. The pattern is beautiful. The decorative design works well with just about anything. Love the artistry. The stencil is a good plastic thickness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.